Hi all, welcome to a new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we will see how we can extend the Horilla detail view like all the other views that we done so far. So, inside Horilla detail view parent class, here you can see the template name. So basically, this template is using later on the template from the Horilla theme. Here you can see Horilla theme is overwritten. So actually this template is using by the Horilla detail view. So in some cases maybe you having some custom logics or custom scenarios. So in that case you can completely override the template that provided by the Horilla detail view. So to do that, first you have to create a template inside the specific template directory of your custom app or project. One second, let me just close all the things. Then inside the custom app, okay, let's create a template inside the templates folder directly. Custom detailed.html. So from now on, I'm going to use the custom detailed.html, and let's provide custom HTML. Then let's map this template with our child class for the shift detail view. Then you can provide the attribute called template name. Then you have to map the path to the template. So we created it directly inside the templates directory. So you simply have to provide the path name like custom detailed.html. In some scenarios, maybe you having some child directories, so you have to provide the relative paths to the template. So let's restart the server. Okay, once the server is restarted, let's refresh and check. You can see the template is now loading. So for all the previous functionalities, you can simply copy all the functionality, the template block or the HTML block from the previous template. Then you can paste it over here. Then you can make all the necessary changes that you prefer to do. Let's refresh. Click here. You can see all the functionality is working as the same. So that's how you override the template for Horilla detail view. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask us inside the comments. Thank you for watching.